Gabby, come here! Dinner is served! Delicious! Oh, here they are, my darlings. Busy as always. Well done. They make a good example. Hey, hamsters! How you doing? Ooh, what's the matter? Girls, are you all right? Time to eat. Something's wrong here.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Hello, Sue.
Oh, what's the matter, Sammy?
Looks like the hamsters don't want to be my friends anymore.
Oh, why?
I wanted to play with them, but they're hiding and don't want to come out.
Oh, Sammy, there's nothing wrong with that. Hamsters are night animals. Let them sleep now. They'll be active when it's dark, like all rodents.
I sleep at night. How am I supposed to play with them? I want to play now.
If you want, we can make a new labyrinth for them. Then they'll have to move.
Yeah, make them a game they'll pay zero attention to. You don't get it, Sue. I'll have to figure it out myself.
Oh,
I'll think of something better. Yes. I need to lure them out. I'll show you.
hi guys. I liked the labyrinth idea, so I'm going to make it. Are you with me? Let's take more cardboard. Do you remember the labyrinth for a hamster we made before? The hamster passed it quickly, so let's make a more difficult one now. And we actually have 2 hamsters now. We'll need double-layer flexible cardboard. Look, this is fun. Let's secure it with glue. Remember to be careful with hot glue. We can paint all the parts in advance. Let's insert one ring into the other. Oh, I've got so many ideas for this labyrinth. Oh, why didn't Sammy support me? He makes crafting so much more fun.
Will you dare ignore such a big company? We've gathered here for you. Shh! Come on! Look who's here! He knows so many interesting games! Ooh, here's a new guest. Just look how pretty he is. You could at least say hi. It's simply rude. Why so disrespectful? It feels more like a mutiny.
Guys, did you subscribe to our channel? Make sure to subscribe if you like hamsters, slimes, and other cute creatures. However, these decorations are mostly for surprising Sam. Hamsters are colorblind. They can't tell colors apart. We need to measure the diameter of our cylinder. There. Then divide it by 2 to get a radius. Be very careful with the sharp part of the compass. A compass is a very handy tool for drawing circles. Have you ever used a compass before? You better ask an adult to help you, especially when you cut out the openings. Go slowly, then you'll get the best results. We'll glue these parts on both sides of the cylinder. And voila! It looks like an Imperial fighter from Star Wars, right? Dun 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 dun. Now let's carefully make an opening in the future side wall of the labyrinth. I'll also add a small hole next to the opening. After making the first labyrinth, I feel much more confident with this one. By the way, there's my large cutout circle. Found it! And now, time to insert the screw. And we get an entrance. Oh, I wish I could show this to Sam. I wonder what he's doing.
So, mutineers, you can't resist this. I mean, you can try, but... Attention, mutineers! Please vacate your hideouts and come out to lunch. Come on, to Sammy. It's working! I'm a genius! A born leader. What? It's not a mutiny! It's a hunger strike! Sue, I'm forced to admit defeat. How are you doing? What's that?
Well, I told you I wanted to make a new hamster labyrinth for our active pets.
Yeah, active. They're still sleeping.
It's okay. They will wake up when they see our labyrinth. These little doors are so adorable.
But, Sue, we made a labyrinth like that. It's not very popular with them.
Oh, but Sam, that labyrinth was very small. It was small even for one hamster, not to mention two. This one will have all this stuff.
I don't know, Sue. It's bigger than the previous one, but it doesn't seem much more difficult. And frankly speaking, I doubt that they will ever wake up, no matter what you say. They are so lazy.
Oh, Sam, believe me, they're not. When they aren't sleeping, they can do 10 kilometers in one night as they run around the wheel.
How much is that?
Well, imagine you go from our house to the park and back 10 times.
Why should I do that? It's boring.
That's why we're making this hamster labyrinth. Let's see what we already have. Here's the net our climbers will use to go up. And here's a wavy path, followed by a narrow passage. There's a ring challenge at the bottom. And I'll glue a door next to it. Our last obstacle. Now we only need to place the ladder in the very beginning of the path. And this adorable tunnel.
Even my picture won't make them run the labyrinth.
Sam, don't be such a grouch. You're complaining about the hamsters and refuse to notice that you won't play with me.
But no, here I am with you. I'm not sleeping. I notice everything.
Everything, really. And you're still so grumpy. Just imagine how funny it'll be when our hamsters will be passing all these obstacles.
Oh yeah, what's the matter with me?
We can form teams and see whose hamster will pass the labyrinth faster.
Yes! Let's bring our hamsters in. We'll do a hamster race in the labyrinth.
Oh, wait, Sammy. We need to make sure it's safe for them. Let's glue these cushions. Safety first, even when we're just playing. For both of us and the hamsters. Though we should take care of the hamsters.
Aren't you worried that the hamster will fall asleep when she finds the cushion?
The other hamster will crash into her and wake her up.
Oh, this will be fun.
Let's make a few openings to let fresh air into the labyrinth. It's a very important step, guys. And one more. Aha! There! And the last touch, a transparent glass. Let's attach it carefully. And done!
Oh, it's the most amazing hamster labyrinth in the world! Sue, are there labyrinths for slimes?
Why not? We can think about that. Let's prepare a reward for our hamsters. You know how much they like eating.
Oh, yeah! The fun is about to start! Guys, do any of you have hamsters? What toys do they have? Write in the comments!
And opening! Come on, get in! Snowy and Hamie too. Have fun!
Oh, they woke up indeed! Look at Snowy go! Oh, come on, Hamie! Follow your friend. She showed you where to go. Oh, come on!
Well done! You're doing great!
Huh, they must be sharing their impressions.
Could be.
And they continue! It's a real race! Hamie moves to the next level and quickly continues onward. She's sniffing around. Clever girl. Huh, is Snowy sleeping up there?
She'll join the fun. She's just resting.
Well, fine. And Hamie has moved to the next level. I think the winner is obvious.
Maybe Snowy will catch up?
I doubt that. Look! Hamie has reached my tunnel.
Your tunnel?
Well, it has my picture on it.
Fine.
And the ring challenge. Hamie passes it at great speed, reaches the door, and gets the reward!
Well done, Hamie.
Sue, look! Snowy decided to pass the labyrinth, too!
Go, Snowy, go! Go, Snowy,
I think she's eager to get her reward.
Maybe she just wants to find the exit?
Well, she's not in a hurry. Oh no, wait, I'm wrong! Look at her go! And down the slide!
Your tunnel is next.
Aha, you admit it's mine.
Yeah.
Come on, Snowy, there's the last level. Oh, looks like they like the rings most of all. Yay!
Well done, Snowy.
It's a pity I missed most of the craft.
But Sammy, we've got so many more crafts waiting for us.
Oh yeah! It's awesome!
Guys, what do your pets like eating most of all? Write in the comments.
And give this video a thumbs up if you liked our hamster race in the labyrinth. We'll make more if we get to 30,000 thumbs up. Subscribe not to miss it. See ya soon!